up, y'all? Top of the top. Shit. I'm about to get a little workout in my little backyard. Got my little boxing glove. Probably do like 6 rounds just hitting the bag. So, yeah, I'm just trying to like film different types of content. So it's more than just cars that I do like. So I want to give you a little bit of other stuff, a little bit. I want to tap into different sides of me, I guess you can say. But I'm about to do this little boxing workout. Disclaimer, not a pro boxer, not an amateur boxer. I just do this because I love the sport, and I just deal with myself. Like, nobody trains me, I just hit the bag. What kind of bag do I hit? I got this one, this water buoy bag. Thing is, I believe it's like 120 pounds full of water. Shit don't hurt your wrist, don't hurt your knuckles. It doesn't do anything. So that's why I like it. And like that feedback, you get like that more human feedback, you know, like the water and shit. I get. Today what we have planned is I'm gonna get this workout in, and then we're gonna go on a street photography video shoot with my car. If you guys don't know, I do have a car photography page on Instagram that is called a7iii. So I have dope photography over there. Very underrated page in my opinion. So if you guys can get me to 200 followers, that'd be dope. But if you're in the LA area and you want a photo shoot of your car, DM me. So gotta go pick up my, cause I just got a new lens too, so I'm trying to go crazy with it. Gotta go pick up my filters from my mom's house, and I got a rig too for videos, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, pick it up over there. It's gonna be like a POV street photography video. In my head it's sick, so once I make the magic happen in the computer, let's see how y'all feel with it. But yeah, quick little update on the vlog. Just went to go buy go pick up my little new camera equipment shit that I bought. So, conscious eye media type stuff. And I'm at the local car wash, right? So where I grew up at. Grew up on Crenshaw and 60th. Crenshaw Slauson. Shout out Nip. Feels good to be back here, you know? I missed the shit. I don't miss the hood, but I missed it. You know what I mean? At the end of the day, I do miss it. But, yeah, I'm about to wash this car real quick. I don't want to record it. I feel like I recorded a lot, so I'll leave it a little break. And then we're going to go on the shoot. Hell yeah. Had to give me a little beet juice, man. A little natural juice. It's good, y'all. So we made it to location number 1. I'm thinking like right here. Somewhere over here would be a dope spot. Over there. Where's that? Over there. And right here too. With the ocean. Look at that. It's beauty. But yeah, so we're about to set up. So like I said, I want to do that POV street shooting video. And got that beet juice over here. It's just fire, dude. Fire as well. Anyways, and I'm gonna go through it. So hopefully the quality of it looks dope. Thinking, what location do I want to set the shoot? I'm thinking like right there. Right there, that little location is pretty cool. It's very ugly though. Damn, motherfuckers be drinking and shit. Cool spot, man. I should have brought a broom with me. Shit, dirty ass mask. Just add more to the pollution. Anyways, but I bought these filters, a little polarizer filter and a little Amazon stabilizer for my camera, so I can get better quality, of course, for the YouTube channel. Like I always preach, invest in yourself, you feel me? If you want to do something, just do it. Just invest. Money comes and goes, man. Don't get attached to the money. Don't be scared of the money. Invest in yourself. So my camera setup, and I really hope it comes out. Sony a7iii, beautiful camera. And I just recently got this Sony f-stop 1.8 50 milliliter. Let's get the lens kit out. It's just like my other one from my other lens. This one's a swivel one though. Hope I got the right one at that, you know. But if you don't know much about photography, pretty much this helps out with like sunglasses. It helps out with shading glares and shit like that. You know, I'm not a fucking photographer. I had to do a lot of fucking research myself, but it's very confusing when you're looking at it from the outside of the window in. But it's not as complicated as you might think. You know what I mean? So, alright, so this is what the vision I'm seeing. Pretty much seeing what I'm seeing. I like it. We're gonna test out. Cool, for sure. Step back a little more. Beautiful. There we go, perfect. I don't know, I feel like with a tripod I can't be as creative as being free-handed. Don't want to get stuck. All for the picture.
Never stressing, making bread is my profession. I'm well invested, took a loss and that's a lesson. I'm well connected, well respected. In this life, you gon' learn your lessons. Stay on your grind, level up. All gas in the fast lane, make 3K on a bad day. No boo for the crab cakes, slide a C note to the valet. Burn sage on these bad days, keep the bad vibes over that way. Cover 2 for these past plays, praise Big Zeus, I'm back, baby. In a black Benz, calling it the prototype. You wanna grow, then stop making moves below your height. And it's a code, if you break it, then you know the price. I never fold, keep my word and go and do it right. Keep it simple. semi-automatic, man, I gotta have it. I'm smoking gas with a bad bitch from California.